back to my channel. Today I am going to spring clean my living room, and I wanted to take you along the spring cleaning journey with me. I cannot wait until spring arrives and I can spend some time outside planting flowers and enjoying beautiful weather. Before I start, I thought that I would take a minute to show you guys what I'm going to be using to spring clean my living room, so that you kind of have an idea of maybe what supplies you need to gather when you do your spring cleaning. For the wood in my living room, I am going to be using the Method wood cleaner. This is like my favorite. It smells so wonderful. And I'm just going to use a microfiber cloth with that as I clean the wood. For the glass in my living room, I'm going to be using the 7th generation glass cleaner, which is just my glass cleaner of choice, along with some 7th generation recycled paper towels. To clean my leather couches and some other areas in my living room, I'm going to be using this Norwax cloth. And basically all you need is water, and it cleans and disinfects for you. I will be using a brush like this one to help me clean the walls and the ceiling fan because it's pretty high in here. So this is another thing I'll be using. Then I'm going to let my vacuum cleaner do a lot of the work. So I just have a bag with my various vacuum cleaner attachments to help me get into hard to reach places. I am ready to get cleaning and have this room checked off my spring cleaning list. Again, I start my cleaning from top to bottom. I did clean my ceilings, but I did not include that in this video because the lighting is a little bright. And yes, I am cleaning an ancient TV. We've had this TV. It was built into our house. And every time we start saving up for a TV, it seems like something else comes along. Now I am just going to insert some music so that you guys can watch as I get my living room deep cleaned and ready for warmer weather. You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who's to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. The dogs found a couple of balls behind the couch when I had it pulled out, so they are having fun chasing each other around and trying to get me to play fetch with them. So that's why they have popped up so much in this video. It seemed like every time I got everything perfect, just like I wanted it on the couch, they were climbing up, chasing after their ball.
Moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we brought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite.
watching today's video. I hope that it motivated and inspired you to start some of your spring cleaning a little early as well. If you are new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on that bell so that you can receive notification each time I post a video. And also, if you like cleaning motivational videos, please give this video a thumbs up. And remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today. See you in the next one. You say bye? You say bye? Are you tired from the cleaning? Huh? Say bye.